Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to make twists. I will begin by separating the hair into two. That's a pack. I'll separate it into two like that, and then I'll get the one half and cut it into two, just like that. So once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and get small pieces from that hair, and that's what I'll be using to make twists. That's the size I'll be using because I don't want very long twists, but that should be a good enough size for today. Once I'm done with the separating, I will begin with the back hair, the behind hair. And so with this style, I'm going to be making big parts. I'll be separating my hair into three, and then I make a twist. I'll twist 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4 times with my hair, and then I will crochet the braid through my hair, just like what I'm doing here. So I'm going to braid my hair 3 or 4 times, then I crochet with a braid. And then I'm going to get a small part of the extension, and then I'll crochet it through my hair just like that. Then I'll go ahead and separate my hair into two and mix it with the extension, and then I go ahead and twist just like that. Again, I will get the extension, crochet through my hair, divide my hair into two, and join it in the extension, and then twist. So the idea is to make sure that your hair is twisted within the extension and it's not showing. So that's the idea, and basically that's what I'm going to be doing through the head. Now at the front, I'll use a little bit of gel before I make the braid. Just like that. So I can have neater braids in the front. Again, I'm going to get the extension, crochet it through my hair. Then I separate my hair into two, mix it with the extension, and make a twist. So this is the completed look. This is how the twists came out. I will go ahead and apply some mousse. And then I'll go ahead and oil my scalp. I'll be using Zillion's hair growth oil. We sell this oil on our website. Check it out, zillions.com. It's an organic oil. All the oils in there are organic. It's very good for them. So this is how I completed my look. I love the twists. I love the way it came out. The size is good. It's not so long, just enough to take me through the day. Yeah, so this is the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by to watch the video. I hope you loved it. I'll see you all in our next video. Cheers.